Welcome the our channel. Today we how to backup Wasabi storage from VPS with rclone and caching step by step clearly. Open your terminal on your VPS. Ensure you have rclone installed. If rclone is not installed, use the command curl https://rclone.org/install.sh sudo bash to install it. Next, configure rclone for Wasabi storage. Run the command rclone config. Choose N to create a new remote. Enter a name for your Wasabi remote. Select S3 as the storage type. When prompted for the provider, input Wasabi. You will need to provide your Wasabi access key and secret key. Input the endpoint for your Wasabi region, for example, s3.us-west-1.wasabisys.com. For advanced settings, press Enter to skip. After configuration, you can test your connection by running rclone lsd remote_name. Replace remote_name with your chosen name for the Wasabi storage. Once connected, create a local directory for caching. You can do this by running mdir/wasabi cache. Now set up the rclone cache with a command like rclone mount remote_name/wasabi cache VPS cache mode full. In this command, replace remote_name with your configured Wasabi remote. This will allow you to cache files locally for efficient access. To perform the backup, use the command rclone sync/wasabi cache //path/to/backup/directory. Replace /path/to/backup/directory with your actual backup path on the VPS. Monitor the progress as rclone transfers the files. For scheduled backups, you can set up a cron job. Open the crontab file with crontab E. Add a line to schedule your backup, such as 02*** rclone sync/wasabi cache //path/to/backup/. This example would run your backup every day at 2 a.m. Save and exit the crontab editor. You're now set to backup Wasabi storage from your VPS with rclone and caching successfully. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.